In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set targets on Salesforce. In Salesforce, sales targets are captured as quotas inside the Forecasts feature. I'll walk you through turning forecasts on, showing quotas, and entering the target numbers so your team can track progress with confidence. Start in Setup. Click the gear icon in the top right and choose Setup to open the admin console. In the Quick Find box on the left, type Forecasts settings and open that page. Here, enable Forecasts, then turn on Show Quotas. Save your changes. With those two switches on, Salesforce adds quota fields to your forecast experience, making it possible to assign target amounts and roll them up across your sales hierarchy. This step is foundational. Without forecasts and quotas enabled, you won't be able to set or view targets across periods. Now let's enter the actual quota values. Still in Setup, use the Quick Find search again and open Forecast Quotas. At the top, choose the relevant forecast period, such as Q1 2026, and select the forecast type your organization uses. Forecast type simply refers to the kind of forecast model you're tracking, for example, revenue or quantity, and ensures the targets align with how your team measures performance. You'll see a table listing the users in your forecast hierarchy. This typically includes your sales reps and their managers, organized to reflect roll-ups and leadership structure. To assign a target, click the Edit icon in the quota cell next to a user's name and enter that user's quota, such as their sales target for the quarter or year. Use the format your business prefers, and make sure it matches your organization's currency and units. When you're done, click Save. Repeat this for each user you want to set a target for. As you save, Salesforce applies the numbers to your forecast views and aggregates them up the hierarchy, so leaders can compare pipeline and closed business against targets in real time. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you don't see forecast settings or forecast quotas, you may need administrator access. If certain users aren't appearing in the table, check that they're part of the forecast hierarchy and active in your org. And whenever your targets change mid-cycle, you can come back to forecast quotas, adjust the numbers for the same period and type, and save again. That's it. Enable forecasts, show quotas, then set your quota values for the right period and forecast type. With those pieces in place, your teams can track progress and stay aligned on goals.